So welcome all. So today we are going to see what is cross-site scripting. So cross-site scripting is nothing but it's a web application vulnerability. If a web application is accepting the outside code, so a malicious person will inject a malicious payload in a web application and it will make some pop-up messages and some unintended messages like this. So we have three types of cross-site scripting is there. One is reflected XSS, another one is stored XSS, and another one is a DOM-based XSS. So reflected XSS is also known as a self XSS. So it will be replicated within your website, your browser. If you are executed any malicious payload in a web application, it will be reflected in your browser only. And the stored XSS, whatever you are executing the payload, directly it will stored in the server. So that's why it is called a stored XSS. Whoever opens the web application, everyone will get that pop-up message or some messages and all like this. So DOM-based XSS is nothing but so where you are using the documents to retrieve the data from the server. There we can perform the DOM-based XSS. For this one, we need to learn some JavaScript. So the JavaScript, what you have to learn is, so there is a single line code you need to learn. This is a pop-up message. So whenever you are pasting this one in a input parameters in a web application, whenever you are testing for the cross-site scripting, you just need to paste this script in the search bar or wherever input parameters will be. So what it will do, it will make a pop-up message in a web application, and that pop-up message is tells you that so this web application have the cross-site scripting vulnerability. If you are getting the pop-up message, and that one will be a vulnerable for the cross-site scripting. So where to check this cross-site scripting vulnerables? So you have to check these vulnerabilities in the input parameters. So input parameters is nothing but search bars, username, passwords, feedback forms, comments. So these are the some input parameters in a web application. So what you have to, so we will see real-time example with the test.php vulnerweb.com. So if you see here in the test.php vulnerweb.com, we have a search bar. So in the search bar, you just need to paste the script and click on go. If you are getting a pop-up message like this with your string you passed, so here also same string I have passed, hacked by Surya. So because it is a reflected XSS, that's why I'm only getting this hacked by Surya. If it is a stored XSS, it will be directly stored in the server. Whoever opens this one, everyone will get the same pop-up message. So this is one kind of thing. Another one, we have to go through that each and every page in a web application. We have to check is there any XSS vulnerabilities are there. So here I'm going everywhere. So here I have a option called comment on this picture. So I'll open this one. So your name here. First I will check in the name field. In the comment field I will write hi. Then I will submit. We'll see. So see, the name field is vulnerable for the cross-site scripting. So that's why I got the hacked by Surya message. Again I will check for the comment field because comment also there. Now I will delete the name Surya, write Surya, and in the comment field I will paste the script and submit. No. So the comment field is not vulnerable for the cross-site scripting. The only name field is vulnerable for the cross-site scripting. So like this we have to check for the cross-site scripting vulnerabilities with the input parameters. So thank you for watching guys. We'll see you in the next class.